Yo, first thing I'ma do when I pop out is tell my nigga, yo, make sure you got the Glock out. I just hopped out looking like a knockout. Show these bitches how to do it, but they drop.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel, man, Jayden Chase. Another one that we're gonna bring on another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlogging truth. Yes, viewers and subscribers, bad mind, shame, no. And now we see the people who are all about the genre. A bad mind. The people who feel like say because Skillibeng is a dancehall artist, Nicki Minaj would not want to do a feature with him. Them wrong. Vybz Kartel was right. It is one thing to believe in yourself, but when you can also have the other giants in the industry, even giants from other genres of music, believe in your talent, all them attack and make some claim. A over track should visit. We'll have to explain this in detail, viewers and subscribers. Stay tuned for this exciting reasoning.
What you're talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, now Nicki Minaj has re-released her 2009 mixtape, Beam Me Up Scotty. This is a big project for Nicki. Now, this is the first time the Breakout mixtape is available on streaming platforms. So you know, so that will give the whole project a new energy. Now she said she has added 3 new tracks, and the first one which she chose for release from the project is none other than the remix of Skillibeng's Crocodile Teeth. Them attack like it couldn't happen. Everything get fucked, the track reach. Now this is a big move for Skillibeng viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel has already had Skillibeng on a Billboard project. Now no doubt this project from Nicki Minaj will be a Billboard project. I mean, I look out to see Skillibeng receive a gold plaque before some of them are a little artists boy. We are make some whole heap of chat on the media. There's no way you can substitute talent for propaganda. All if a million or look a vlogger friend them forward and say, oh, the track fake, that not gonna happen. That cannot stop what is to be. I'm gonna show you how our artists and the artists associated with our camp are different. For one, Skillibeng just laugh off of them. If nobody followed up on the media and make no talk and I say, yo, Roop Rap, Ray, nothing like that. Him just go and hold it. Because him knows the track out there. Him know the track mix and master. Him knows the track out there on our mixtape re-release. And him know it gonna be the single where she gonna open with. She love the track that much. Remember we're going with Gyptian and Hold You. It was a very wise decision too. On Skillibeng's part. Before that Nicki Minaj feature you drop, you see it. Him have features with Da Baby. Him have features with Rich the Kid, features with Young M.A., Jay Critch, you know what I mean? Whole heap of New York rappers too. And then the fans say, Nicki feature him on a track, or say Nicki remix him track. That is big because on the hip hop scene, a track of definitely hot to a certain level. If you're a superstar of her magnitude, decide to them gonna remix it and put it on a project. And so we're going with the track, Beatbox. For me take off on TikTok. The superstars they make for them different, you know what I mean? Remix to the track, cause the track big. Now, Nicki Minaj also announced to her fans during an Instagram live before the whole project was released, or the first thing that was released. She said she had to put the new joints to get fans excited about the re-release. She said this is just a get back to basics a little bit, to the essence of why I started rapping. And this is powerful to dancehall as well. We have always stated this, that the founders, the foundation people of hip-hop music were heavily inspired by dancehall sound systems and everything that was taking place with the music scene in Jamaica. Now Drake also joined the live, and I have to state this, over 900,000 viewers during that live. One of the biggest live Instagram has ever seen. Now Drake said he has really been on her lately. He said he was asking her, when are you gonna? We miss you. We really miss your presence. We miss the bars, we miss the presence that you bring. And truth be told, the female side of the hip hop scene, without a Nicki Minaj putting out her signature hit songs with her style, that Barbie something there, she was definitely missed from the scene. I mean, nobody not really bring the energy where she bring. She's definitely a dancehall, hip hop mixture. Yeah, she always talk about her Trinidad roots. She always talk about the Jamaican dancehall song that she grew up and listen to, and she always find a way to incorporate it in her track. She's unique where that is concerned. You know what I mean? They really have that type of style. Plus, you don't know realize a singer. She's a rapper. They don't know ever tell mama congratulations on her son. You know what I mean? Healthy, alive and well. And I do it. You know what I mean? Young Prince. Now as I stated, this project and the fact that, you know what I mean, skill is apartheid. We can look forward to see one of the next gold plaque we have forward a yard of Skillibeng upon it. And that would mean he would have get one before some other artists will make some talk. See, even if you're gonna do a re-release of a project where you put out already, you still have to put some new track on it. A man do a re-release, a man do a release, or claim say I'm gonna release an album, and him put all tracks on it. It seems as if they have the business model in a music wrong. I would see it from them far out of the game. I use people's style and want pay no respects. I make some little thing I try to trick the fans. And where I say to them youth, them youth not only just confusing, them delusional. Them in a strange state of mind. But when I do psychiatrist work, so they depend on them only that the facts are in. Doing it the right way still yields the best results. Who knows? I got a Skilly and Drake next. Skilly and Lil Wayne them. Yeah? Definitely after the youth. I'm happy to say, oh, him hold him composure. You know what I mean? He never found out in an argument and in a whole heap of chattings. You know, we're not going long talking. Cause we're big, bad and brave. Why? Do what you want to do. So if you want to make talk and say, oh, the feature not out. Or the feature will never be a possibility. It is impossible for that to happen. But they'll just look down and say, oh, that I want to feel about dancehall music. That is why people still treat dancehall music as if it should be limited to our shores. Like younger people in the Caribbean for know of dancehall and listen to dancehall when them wrong. When dancehall is a powerhouse, a powerful genre of music started long before some other genres of music and influenced them to be as big and as popular as they are now. And a full time for the leading dancehall artists, because not every dancehall artist I do nothing for the genre, but the leading artists, the artists them will actually do it a full time for them get them accreditation. So I'm glad to see, you know what I mean, a superstar act like a Nicki Minaj, I forward out and I say, I mean, Crocodile T track there and nothing normal. I forgot drop something on it. I'm gonna feel like I hit for my first single off of the project too. You know, to get the fans excited. That is powerful. As I'm say, when you believe in your career, that is one thing. And you have to start this one. You have to see it for yourself even when nobody else not believe in it. But when you do it now, and other mega stars, remember, you know, when Skilly found out as a young artist and teacher say you to have it. You know what I mean? Album feature. You might do it as a young artist right now. So I do more features with hip-hop stars and things of that nature. And Nicki see man I say, yo, you know, say you have it. Watch, you know, I'm gonna do a project and I put some new track on it. You know, a billboard settings. You know, a gold plaque settings. Watch. And they must say, you mean, up move. And the thing happen. The news found out. And right away, we see the people who had negative things to say. We see the people who champion the cars and the people who say, yes, it's a good look. And we see all of the people, some people like them all, I say, oh, I want to skill him to feel like, say, Ray, him no much for a feature from Nicki, him no much for that, him no much for this. And we say, how come money become an option? How are they the baby tell we say a 300,000 him want for a feature? And that was in US. I'm not talking about Jamaican dollars. 300,000 Jamaican and US dollars, almost $2,000. You can't like no artist like that baby with them money there. Think about it. Think about you can't link them money with no shaky dollars. Them money are making enough money for themselves right now. So them move like say money was an option. But you know what even more? You know what is even more spectacular? The fact that Skilly never have to pay $1 for this feature. He will be paid from the project. Him never have to pay for this. It is the other way around. Them last in the game. Tell them go and buy views. I hope so them for them can spread all kind of talk all kind of rave, but that not affect sales. That not affect the growth of our camp. You have to know say the conglomerate is strong and fit. Vice the one called Jayden, she's a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But they like the reason and of course they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Yeah man, now move settings fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. Well, first and foremost, drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and brother them to check out your channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, as I tell you. Yeah man, now move settings fam. My sentiments for you and yours are to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.